I'm Takahiro Kusabuka, working at NTT Service Evolution Laboratories. We proposed IBUKI, gesture input method based on breathing. Breathing gesture is like this: exhale, inhale, double exhale, swipe, circle. Gestures combine on breathing patterns and its trajectories. So, first of all, background. In order to prevent the spread of infectious diseases, it is important not to bring viruses into your living space. It is not good touching your belongings like smartphone, earphones, after touching public fixtures such as a handrail or a vending machine. So, we propose input method using intentional breathing, instead of touching the device directly. Breathing gesture is combination of breathing patterns and its trajectories. Next, explain about prototype system. This is prototype system. We use mask as wearable computing platform. A mask is recommended or required to be worn in various situations to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. So this system do not need to wear a new device to the body, like a chest belt type sensors. Then about hardware, a breathing sensor. This is a breathing sensor, and this is 9DOF IMU to estimate the head direction are attached to the mask, and combine the breathing patterns and trajectories to estimate breathing gestures. This is a microcontroller. It collects sensors data and sending to a PC by Bluetooth or USB. In this demo, using USB to sending data, and on PC, estimating breathing gestures by received data. This is a breathing sensor. It's inside. This is air valve. So air valve moving at the user's breath, and amount of movement is detected by photoreflector. This is photoreflector, and this is example of sensors data. So it can detect such as whether our user is inhaling or exhaling, and length, speed, intensity, and number of times per time unit of each inhale or exhale. We use K-shape to do clustering of the acquired time series data. This is a result of experiment. The recognition accuracy for one subject was 95.8%. To estimate direction and trajectories by 9DOF IMU attached to the mask, this is 9DOF IMU. So this is also recognized by K-shape. This is a result of experiment. The recognition accuracy for one subject was 93.9%. Next, demonstrating some application examples. Our first application is device operation for listening music. This is music control application. Breathing gestures and operation are linking. For example, exhale is to play music, inhale is to stop music, swipe is skip music. The next demo is entertainment, gaming interface. So breathing gesture and control gaming is linking. For example, swipe is weapon change, and exhale is shoot the weapon, like a VR game. Next demo is supporting voice user interface. For using voice user interface, we should speak wake word like OK Google, Hey Siri, using breathing gestures instead of wake word. For example, double exhale gesture as calling voice user interface instead of wake word. Additionally, giving context for voice user interface. For example, double exhale gesture is assigned for adding to shopping list. Double inhale gesture is assigned for searching for cooking recipes. So even if the word fish is used in both contexts, the former gesture will search for recipes for fish dishes, and the latter will add fish to the shopping list. That's all. We propose IBUKI gesture input method based on breathing. Thank you for listening.